What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable the standard keyboard, one-handed keyboard or floating keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So right now I have enabled the standard keyboard. So this is the standard keyboard. Now to change the keyboard type, open settings, scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management, click on keyboard, Samsung keyboard settings, and then click on scroll down and click on mode. Now if you want to enable one-handed keyboard, then tap on one-handed keyboard here in portrait view section, and after that the keyboard mode will be changed. So you can see now the keyboard is on one-handed mode. Now if you want to change the keyboard mode to the floating keyboard, then tap on mode here again and select floating keyboard, and after that the keyboard mode will be changed to the floating keyboard. So that's how you can use the standard keyboard, one-handed keyboard and floating keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.